Today I'm going to show you how to make Pavakya Khichdi or the bitter gourd khichdi. Khichdi is a very simple and easy dish which is mostly served at traditional Kerala feast known as Sadhya. This is prepared with crispy fried bitter gourd combined with coconut and yogurt, which requires less cooking. So let's see how to make this bitter gourd khichdi. So welcome back to the channel Shida's Food Corner. Here I have taken 2 bitter gourds. I have cut the bitter gourd into thin round shape. You can cut it into any shape as you like. Let's transfer the bitter gourd into a mixing bowl. To this now let's add some salt, 3 green chilies cut into slit, some curry leaves. Mix well. Heating a pan, adding 6 tablespoons of oil. Now let's fry these bitter gourds on a medium flame. It requires about 10 to 15 minutes to fry the bitter gourds. Between, let's prepare the coconut mixture. Here I have taken 6 tablespoons of grated coconut, 3/4 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 3 to 4 tablespoons of yogurt. You can also add 1/4 teaspoon of cumin seeds, which is optional. Now let's grind and make this into a fine paste. So now the coconut mixture is ready. Let's keep this aside. You can also add 2 tablespoons of water if it's required for grinding the coconut. Flip the bitter gourds to the other side. Fry the bitter gourds until they are brown in color. Let's start removing it from the pan once they are brown in color. It will be crispy once you remove it from the oil. Let's fry the remaining bitter gourd. So now the crispy fried bitter gourd is ready. You can slightly crush this if you prefer to. Let's move on to the final step of preparation. Onto a serving bowl, adding 6 tablespoons of yogurt. Whisk the yogurt using a fork. Onto this now let's add the coconut mixture that was kept aside. Combine and mix well. So now the coconut yogurt mixture is ready. To this now let's add the fried bitter gourds. Mix well. Add the remaining fried bitter gourds and mix it well. So now the bitter gourd khichdi is ready. Let's do the seasoning. For the tempering, I have kept a small pan. Heating the pan, adding the same oil that was used for frying the bitter gourd. Once the oil heats, adding 1/2 teaspoon of mustard seeds. As the mustard splatters, adding 4 dry red chilies. Adding some curry leaves. Pour this to the Pavakya khichdi. So now the Pavakya khichdi or the bitter gourd khichdi is now ready to serve and enjoy. This is a good combination to steamed plain rice. This is one of the dish which I make very often at my home. Hope you liked it. Do try out and let me know your valuable feedback. Thank you very much for all your support, and I'll be back with another very special recipe. Do follow us on Instagram foodcorner.qa. If you like my video, please do like, subscribe and comment. And also don't forget to press the bell icon for notification on my latest uploads.